Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's very first NGX midday update. In fact, the very first midday update for the month of November. We are gradually winding down towards the end of the year. Today is the 3rd of November, so we have about 27 or is it 28 days to the end of this month. Anyways, let's get right into it. What's happening in the market? Let's start with the all share index. The index measures the average performance of stocks on the exchange. The index is essentially flat because if you have a 0.04% increase, that is not an increase. That essentially is flat. So we can say that the index is flat. Let's go look at stocks on the premium board of things. MTN Nigeria is in the red. Whether it will close there, we don't know. MTN Nigeria in the red. Let's see what we have in terms of gainers and losers and in terms of bid offer volume. So MTN Nigeria just traded sub 500. That's 497. The general profit taking that happened in the market last week means that we're seeing some of these stocks in the red. Market info, the market looking a bit choppy in terms of the market engine. But let's try once more again. Let's see if it goes through. If not, we'll go with stock bubbles. I think stock bubbles is also having some lag as well. MTN Nigeria bid price 497, offer price 500. You have more offers than bids, so that tells me that if the volume is enough, you may see the stock close below 500. Access Corporation, what do we have? Bid price 23.55, offer price 23.75. That is a spread of 20 kobo a share. MTN back at 500 naira a share. UBA, what do we have? UBA is still trading above 40 naira a share. Let's go check some of the stocks in the broad box. Let's go see. Aradel, what do we have? Aradel, bid price and offer price, what do we have? This lagging. NACO at 113, MTN between 497 500, GTCO at 89.9, Aradel last price at 733.4. Seems to be some lag on the NGX engine, I guess, or maybe it's a Morgan Capital team. Bid price for Aradel 723, offer price 733.4. So what that means is that you have a spread of about 10 naira 40 kobo. Let's go see ASO savings. Is it pushing? ASO savings seems to be pushing, but let's look at the bid order volumes. Still on full bid. This is interesting. I think ASO savings last trading session for last week probably had 4 or 5 days of this stock being on full bid. Today and Monday, this stock is also on full bid as well. Let's see. Are there any other stocks I want to see? It's looking like mostly a sea of red so far. Lots of red. Whether we'll close red, I don't know. You want to join the InfoWare space at 2 p.m. We'll be winding down the market close from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. West African time. InfoWare hosts a market space, and so myself, Senko, another analyst, will be there as well. Market's looking mostly in the red. Nothing more to see here. But let's look at the broad statistics. On the gaining side of things, CNIF up 10%, Airtel Africa up 10%, Nomatech regarding some of the losses last week up 9.92%, Trans Express up 9.77%. ASO savings still pushing. Last week, ASO savings gained, I think, over 50%. So if it closes where it is at the moment, that will be 60% gains, essentially in almost 6 days or so. On the losing side of things, some new names: Vitafoam down 10%, Multiverse down 10%, Sovereign Trust Insurance down 10%, Sky Aviation down 10%, Austin Labs down 10%. So in fact, the deja vu names aren't showing so far. Let's go over to volume side of things. GTCO 21.5 million shares traded so far. ASO savings 16.9 million shares traded so far. Access Corporation third place with 16.6 million shares traded so far. To value, GTCO 2 billion naira worth of GTCO shares traded so far. Guinness Nigeria, distant second, 1.36 billion naira worth of shares traded so far. Okomu, that's a large value for Okomu. Large volume as well. 1 million Okomu shares traded so far. That is huge. Market reports at the end of the day should let us know if it's an institutional play, who is buying, who's selling. That's a huge volume for Okomu. Okomu is 1.15 billion naira worth of shares traded so far. Is there anything we need to know? Is there anything happening in the market that we need to know? Fidelity down, mostly in the red, waiting for Fidelity Bank H1 2025 numbers. We are yet to get those numbers. UAC, let's see what we have for UAC bid and offer spread. For UAC, bid price 65, offer spread 65.9. So the spread actually is less than 1 naira. Let's see Berger and CAP. Do we have some market excitement from Berger? Berger surprised the market. One of the few stocks that surprised the market. I was not expecting a 40 kobo interim dividend from this firm. So it's nice to have. Cash is always good. Cash rules everything on the NGX. MTN back at 504, above 400 naira, 500 naira a share. And so Berger Paints bid price 41, offer price 41.5, spread of 50 kobo. Let's see CAP, and then I would end with Red Star Express. CFE bid price 70, offer price 72, so spread of 2 naira. Let's see Red Star Express. As a stock, I'm keeping my eye on. I'm hoping this stock will come down to my target price of somewhere between 9 to 10 naira a share. So what do we have for Red Star? My wish isn't happening. Bid price 10.05, offer price 10.45, spread of 40 kobo. Bid quantity, total bid quantity 56,400 shares in 13 bids. Offer price 602,000 shares in 12 bids. So let's go round up. Let's see if there's anything on the corporate disclosure space that we need to know before we call it a day for this video. To the best of my knowledge, nothing much has happened out of the ordinary that we need to know. Livestock feeds, what do we have? Livestock feeds down 0.05. That's rather tiny. Waiting for this. I don't know if it's an NGX thing or my network thing. Is there anything we need to know? Any questions you have, feel free to drop your questions. This may go up at midday, 28 minutes from now. You should have this video, but beyond that, the market continues to trade. Continue to keep an eye on the market till market close. What do we have so far? While that loads, we'll go check out Red Star Express in the green. Okomu, let's see the bid price of Okomu. The volumes were huge. Where did that volume come from? Must be an institutional thing. Not much. ASO savings, Q3 numbers. There's not much to look at those numbers. That's not what my looking. So thank you all, ladies and gentlemen. See you at market close. Stay safe.